Today, I'm gonna show you how you can make this butterfly wall hanging. To do this, take a thick paper and make a circle out of it. Then take another paper and cut a piece from it, then start folding it and make a flower with the scissor with it as shown in the video. After that, take the scissor and start rubbing it behind the flower for the coned flower shape. Now take another paper and make a smaller flower with it. You can choose the size of the flowers as you want. Then make a bunch of them. And it is time to glue the flowers on the circle. Now take a pink paper and sketch a butterfly with a pencil. Then fold the paper and cut the shape with scissor. After making the butterfly, color it with sketch pen. Now glue it in the middle of the shape. Now take a small thread and glue it behind the flowers. You can use a small piece of cardboard if you want. And congratulations, you have successfully made this beautiful wall hanging. Now remember, you can choose the size and color of the papers as long as you understand how to make the design. If you like this video, then consider subscribing this channel. Share it with your friends, and I'll see you in the next video.